A deputyship is established when the Court of Protection appoints a person to act as a deputy on behalf of usually a relative or loved one who lacks capacity. So that means they've started struggling to make decisions about their property and affairs or some aspect of their finances. An attorney is appointed by a person when they have mental capacity to make a decision themselves about who they would want to manage their finances if they weren't able to themselves in the future. It's done in a form called a lasting power of attorney, or an LPA, and it's registered with the Office of the Public Guardian before you can use it. These are generally regarded as being a quicker, cheaper method of putting in place your wishes about what you would want to happen in the event that you lose capacity. A deputy or an attorney might need help from a solicitor if they need to make a bigger decision for the person they're acting for. For example, if they think a will needs to be made or updated, because the court can make what's called a statutory will in those circumstances. Perhaps if you wanted to make a gift of money from the assets of the person you act for. An attorney or a deputy has very minimal capacity to make gifts, but in certain circumstances, with the right evidence, the court will allow more significant gifts to be made. You might also want a solicitor's help with managing things day to day to check that you are doing the right things and meeting your obligations. For example, the annual report that you make each year to the Office of the Public Guardian, you can ask for help with that, in the same way that you might go to an advisor to help you with a tax return, for example. You could come to a solicitor for that, just to help lift the burden of acting correctly in that role.